I do not know. What is that? Where did you get that? Hi. Who is your companion? Who is Ali? The daughter of? Is that so? Oh, do tita? Really? Oh. What is her name? Yeah, your cousin now. So Ali, how old is Ali? So she's only 3 years old. When did she visit you? Um, where is her mommy now? Where is her mommy now? Really? Bakit idol ka niya? Pogi. Pogi ka daw. Because Bambam is a good boy. The prince? Really? Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Basta sige, okay. Tell her mommy. You tell your mama, ha? Mommy. Ha? Mama Helen. Ha? Who is mama? Mama ni is in grantor. Because she told me that you are going to call. Oh, your mama Helen is here, oh. Do you want to see your mama Helen? I, because I do not know how to. O sige na, Bam. O sige, bye-bye na, bye-bye na. O sige, okay, bye-bye na. I love you. You tell your mommy, ah. O sige, okay, bye-bye. I love you. Love you, love you. Yeah, okay. Mamo is in Princeton Subdivision. Nabut in Caloocan. Who is Prince? I do not know. Princetown. That is the name of the place. The subdivision, the name is Princetown Subdivision. Only people, but they are not prince. They are not princess, they are not prince. Okay? O, bye-bye na. I love you. Did you eat your breakfast na? Because I'm not very good, I'm not well versed in using gadget eh. Next time na lang. Bye-bye, love you. Okay, I'm going to tell Mama Helen. Ate Hana is here eh, kasi Ate Hana and Kuya Hans. Ate Hana and Kuya Hans are here. They have no classes kasi. Si Ate Hana and Kuya Hans have no classes. So they are here at home. What grade are you in now? Upstairs. What grade are you in now? Okay. O sige, bye-bye na. Who will be your companion?